I want you to steal my dropshipping supplier so that you can get a higher quality product, faster shipping times, and a much more consistent price. And in this video, I'm going to show you how in 3 easy steps you can connect to my dropshipping supplier today and start putting products on your Shopify store so that you have access to who I think is the best Chinese dropshipping service in the world. Let's get started. So choosing the right dropshipping supplier for your business is obviously one of the most important decisions that you're going to make. And there's a lot of options out there for you. eBay is certainly one of those good options. eBay is great if you want to get your product to your customer with a very high speed, but you can't control what's in the package and you can't control the quality of the products. And what I found too is once I get to that 5 or 6 orders per day mark, a lot of suppliers run out of stock and just end up dropshipping from AliExpress to your customers anyway, meaning longer shipping times, and they're going to pocket the difference. And you know what? I want to pocket that difference. Now, AliExpress, another viable option for a lot of dropshippers. You can just go and find any vendor out there and the cheapest price and hope for the best, but you never know who you're dealing with. You could be dealing with someone who has a van and just gets products and ships them, or even worse, someone who literally just makes the orders from the factories themselves and pockets the difference. Why would you want to do that when you could just work with someone who owns a warehouse, owns a factory, can print on demand any type of packaging that you want, and can actually give you a full service experience? And today I'm going to actually show you how to connect to my personal dropshipping supplier. Now, this supplier has helped me generate over $10 million in sales on my Shopify store. I'll just refresh the screen here to show you. This is Homecraftology. Together we've built this amazing business. We sell crafting kits to people all around the world. Another one of my stores here. This is a store I launched only a couple of months ago. We've nearly done about $100,000 in sales from all of these awesome products. And how you do this? Well, let's go through the steps. You click the link in the description of this video and you'll be taken to this registration page here. Now, just before you do, I do want to point out that this is a affiliate link. And if you choose to click my affiliate link and actually go through and connect with my supplier, you'll be supporting this channel and you'll have my forever thankfulness for doing so. However, in the long run, I do think that this is going to be good for your business because you're going to have a professional level supplier here who has his own warehouse, his own fulfillment center, staff ready to go, boots on the ground in China, as we say. And there's no obligation, well, there's no contract in this, nothing to hold you in to say that you're going to only use them. You can change your mind at any time. So you may as well just dig in and see what prices they can give you. So, Step 1, click the affiliate link in my description, fill out this form and add your details in and you're good to go. Step 2, come on in here to the store management part of tfullfill and you add your store in here. It's really easy. You just connect and off you go. So you can connect to Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, and the rest of these places. Now, step 3, sourcing. This is where the magic happens, all right? We go into sourcing. We're going to go over here and click New Request. And from here, you put in the URL of the product that you want to source and you click submit, and our sourcing team are going to go in there and find the product that you want. We're going to find the best quality version of your product for a sustainable price, meaning once we've given you a quote, this price is not going to change. We come over here to quotations. You can see a couple here that I've already done. Let's check out this one here. This is a dog toy product that I wanted to put on my store, and we've got a product price here of $11. Now this includes worldwide ultra premium fast shipping from China. So this will get you the product within 5 to 12 working days. And you can see here, this is the product that I've asked for, a smart interactive dog toy ready to go. Now you might notice here that this price here is a little bit different from the price that we've been provided. The thing is, and you have to understand, AliExpress prices can trap you in and then charge you a higher cost for the shipping. What we tell you at tfullfill is a price point that includes shipping and is not going to change. The best part about using this, the packaging will be nice and you can put in your own logo, a card, a piece of paper, a bit of branding into this if you want, and make this product experience awesome for your customers. In 2 easy steps already, you've installed this app on your Shopify store, you've added your first product and got your quotation. Now to actually hook this up to your Shopify store, step number 3, publish to store. And that's going to actually publish a product to your store that is automatically linked to tfullfill. And all you have to do then is go in and edit your product description, get it all up and running and launch your product. It couldn't be any simpler, and that is how you use this app to connect to my favorite dropshipping supplier in all of China, who again has supplied me with products for over $10 million in sales. And I can't wait to see what they do for you. I can't wait to hear your stories of success. So please let me know in the comments how you go with this. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.